In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one youth in custody in Shopian district. The youth Imran Bashir was arrested by the troops during a cordon and search operation on Tuesday after a grenade blast in which two Indian laborers were killed in Hermain area of the district. The troops then took him to Nowgam area of the district and killed him in a fake encounter. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah, presiding over a meeting of the party functionaries, said that Bharatiya Janata Party and its cronies are importing voters to win elections in the territory. He said our party members have an added responsibility to give every single person in the territory an understanding of the mechanisms of the BJP and its local A and B teams. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian Central Bureau of Investigation have arrested senior officer of the Border Security Force in connection with police recruitment scam. The CBI arrested the BSF commandant and medical officer Dr. Karnail Singh, posted at Palura headquarters in Jammu in connection with the sub-inspector's recruiting scam. Officials said Dr. Karnail Singh was called for questioning by the CBI on Tuesday. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Hurriyat leaders have termed the attack on the All Parties Hurriyat Conference head office in Srinagar by Hindutva fanatics as a naked hooliganism. The Hindutva goons, supported by Indian Army, ransacked the APHC head office at Rajbagh in Srinagar on Monday. APHC leader Maulvi Mir Ghulam Hassan, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that such brutal acts cannot subdue Kashmiris' resolve for freedom and they will continue their struggle till they achieve their inalienable right to self-determination. International Media Watchdog Committee to Protect Journalists has denounced the Indian authorities for stopping Kashmiri photojournalist Sana Irshad Mattu at Delhi airport and preventing her from traveling to New York to receive her Pulitzer Prize. The New York-based CJP, in a statement posted on its website, terming the Indian authorities' action as arbitrary and excessive, called for ending the persecution of journalists covering the situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.